Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share a Facebook story to Instagram automatically. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Between a bunch of social media platforms and their respective content formats, cross-posting is a boon. However, imagine the trouble of opening each app, uploading, adding a title or hashtag, and then posting. Fortunately, Meta make it a bit easier by allowing you to share Facebook posts or Facebook stories to Instagram without much hassle. So, if you want to share your Facebook story to Instagram story automatically, first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile on the upper right corner here. You can scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Now you can scroll down and tap on Stories. Now you can tap on Story Privacy. In this feature, you can see your story. It will be visible for 24 hours, Facebook and Messenger, and you can also control where you want to share your story. You can see there's other settings like stories you've mute, camera roll settings, and always share to Instagram. The toggle is inactive. You have to activate the toggle by tap on the toggle here, like this. So, Facebook will automatically share your Facebook story to Instagram. So whenever you made a story on Facebook, it will be automatically shared to your Instagram without you need to share it manually to your Instagram. You can share it automatically because you've activate the share automatically. So that is how to share Facebook story to Instagram story automatically. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!